What's good, YouTube? I decided to share some information with y'all because I seen that there wasn't many videos out there that were sharing this. Like I looked on YouTube and just looked and looked and looked, and it was like one video that probably gave me a clue. All right, excuse the messy car, whatever. My car would just turn over. You can see the ignition. All right, I got the turn. All right, now this is the original key right here. Now see that security light is blinking. I went to a couple mechanics. I didn't really pay attention to the security light at first, so I was thinking that it was maybe a mechanic issue. I went to a couple of mechanics. One said it was the crank sensor, so I got a little worried about that. Then I went to the next mechanic, and he said that it was what he said, it was the timing belt. So I didn't really want to put out too much money, and so I started searching and searching and searching. Now this is the new key. This is the new key I just got. Now see the security light? It goes on. It comes back off. It cranks right up. The whole time, this started like a week ago. Whole time I was thinking, you know, it was a mechanic failure, and it was just a key. So once again, this is the original key, and this key is bad. I've had this car for going on 5 years now, so security light comes on and it starts blinking. So the chip in this key has gone bad. Just wanted to share this because I didn't see a lot of videos that showed this. So if your car is turning over but not cranking, it could just probably be your key. Security light comes on, goes off. This is a 1998 Honda Accord.